To fix the program can't start because MSVCR120.dll is missing from your computer, right click on Start, select Run. Here you need to type this command appwiz.cpl and press Enter. In Program and Feature window, you will find Microsoft C++ 2013 redistributable. Simply click on it, then select Change and click on Repair. Click on Yes and repair x64 and x86 version, both of them. If that doesn't work, simply select that version and click on Uninstall and uninstall both of them. Then click on Start and restart your PC. After a restart, open any browser you have like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge. In address bar, you need to type Microsoft Visual C++ 2013 redistributable and then press Enter. Make sure to open the same website showing up in here. Scroll down, click on Download. Here you need to select both version x86 and x64 version. Then scroll down and click on Download. Here you will see this option download icon. Click on it and make sure you select the same option to automatically download multiple files. Then click on Done and you can able to download both files at once. After downloading both files, simply open the folder, right click on the file and open it and install both versions on your computer. After installing both of them, click on Start and restart your PC. Once your PC boots up, launch the program and check if that helped you to fix your problem. If you still need help, leave your comment below or contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page.